Hey there webmasters, I'm Christian from RackNerd. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to scan your site for virus and vulnerabilities for free using RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting powered by cPGuard. Keeping your site secure is absolutely crucial, and this tool helps you to identify potential vulnerabilities and threats to ensure your website remains completely safe. So why use cPGuard? Well, cPGuard provides comprehensive security scans that help you detect malware, vulnerabilities, and other security issues. It is a valuable tool for keeping your site protected without any extra cost. Let's dive into how you can run a scan on your own site. So I'm going to share my screen here and let's get started with the tutorial. First, log into your cPanel account. Once you're logged in, look for the cPGuard icon under the security section and click on it. This will take you to the cPGuard dashboard. On the cPGuard dashboard, you'll see several options for security features. To start a scan, click on the Virus Scan tab. Here, you'll have the option to choose between a manual scan or scanner logs, a quick scan that checks the most common areas for issues, while a full scan thoroughly examines every single file and directory on your site. For a more comprehensive check, I recommend starting with the full scan. After selecting your scan type, click on Run Scan. cPGuard will begin analyzing your website for any potential security threats. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of your site and the scan type you chose. Once the scan is complete, cPGuard will present you with a detailed report. This report will highlight any issues detected, including malware, vulnerabilities, or suspicious files. Review the report carefully to understand what exactly was found, if anything. If any issues are identified, follow the recommended steps provided by cPGuard to address them. This might involve removing malicious files, updating plugins, or even just adjusting the security setting. And that really is it. You have successfully scanned your site for free using RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting with cPGuard. Regular scans are an amazing way to ensure your website stays secure and runs smoothly. If you have any questions or need any help with anything, do not hesitate to reach out to our 24/7 support team. We are here to assist you. For more tips and tutorials, be sure to visit RackNerd.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel, RackNerd TV. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.